soy madero.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the RX-7 3rd Gen, installing a kill switch, a safety switch that's going to go on the back of the car for the car events that it's required just for safety. The bumper's off because I had to take it to Bodie because he's going to paint the front bumper, see how it comes out. If he does a good job, he's painting the pickup truck. But today we're going to be working on the 3rd Gen. So here we got the kill switch, the on and off. We got the battery cable lug that goes on the end of the number 2 cable wire. And we got the heat shrinks that goes around. And we have the special tool, thanks to Carlos Racing, that crimps. It crimps these onto the wire with pressure. But yeah, thanks Carlos. We have the number 2 gauge wire that's going to run from the starter all the way to the back where the kill switch is going to be. This car did have a kill switch, but I didn't like it. It's the one that you will have to pull out and push back in to kill the power. So I bought the switch and on and off. So I have to run the wire from the starter all the way to the back, and from here the kill switch to the battery that's behind the seat. Behind the seat. So make it nice and pretty, and eventually I'll make a bracket for the battery. I'm gonna jack up the car, put 2 jacks in for safety, take out the old wire that's running right now and run the new one and do all that good stuff. Okay, so I got the old one out. Now I am going to crimp these on like this and put heat shield to cover it up more. And I'm gonna show you how to use this tool. So first you want to cut back a little bit, about 1/2 inch back, just so this could slide in, and then you crimp it. So you grab yourself a razor knife. Once you got the insulation cut back, you just want to slide this in. Make sure it's all the way in as much as you can. Then this toolkit brings with all the different sizes. So right now this is a number 2. So you just gotta make sure you find the one that says number 2 and it's already on with number 2. You release the pressure right here so it can open up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. If you want to loosen it up this way, right creates pressure, and then you just loosen it up and the piston comes back down. So you want to make sure that's that. But before you crimp this onto the cable, you want to get your heat shrink through first. And you just cut the heat shrink as long as you want it. Make sure it covers up like about 1 inch of the insulation, and also you're covering this. Slide the insulation through, and I don't think this one's big enough. No, it's not. It's not big enough. That sucks. I wanted to use heat shrink. So my other option would be electrical tape. And that's that. Got the electrical tape on. Now I'm just gonna find out to reroute it all the way back to the back. You wanna help, Copper? Okay, so I got both cables running to the back. The switch is gonna go in there. This is the one that goes to the starter. This one is gonna go to the battery. So all you have to do is loosen those up, connect one on one side, and then connect the other cable on the other side, and that's pretty it. And to take this off, you just want to take that Phillips up, slide it in through the hole, and that's it. Alright, so I got the switch pin right there, the 2 wires, switch it right there. Right now it's an off. Got the terminal connected. Switch the key forward, no power. Now this should work. Once I switch this, the screen should turn on, or hit the fuel pump. Yep, it works. Kills the power. On, off. Yay, I did it right.